Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're tired of scrubbing floors and want a faster, smarter way to keep your home spotless, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best electric mops, carefully selected for their cleaning performance, ease of use, features, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Shark Steam S8201. Leading our list is the Shark Steam S8201, a true powerhouse that transforms deep floor cleaning from a chore into an almost effortless activity. This innovative mop masterfully combines high-temperature steam with motorized scrubbing pads that rotate over 150 times per minute, effectively doing all the strenuous work for you while you simply guide it across your flooring. A particularly impressive feature is the convenient Steam Blaster button, which delivers a powerful, targeted burst of steam specifically designed to break down tough, stuck-on messes commonly found in high-traffic kitchens and muddy entryways. With 3 easily accessible steam settings at your fingertips, you can effortlessly switch between a gentle light clean for daily maintenance and an intensive deep clean for tackling serious grime buildup. What makes this model such a fantastic choice for busy families is its remarkable ability to thoroughly sanitize floors without relying on any harsh chemicals, using just ordinary tap water to effectively eliminate common household bacteria and allergens. The Shark S8201 consistently delivers professional-level cleaning results right in your own home with remarkable ease and efficiency that will make you wonder how you ever managed without it. Number 2. Bissell SpinWave 20393. The Bissell SpinWave 20393 stands as a fantastic choice for anyone who wants a powerful, genuinely hands-off cleaning experience that minimizes physical strain. Its effective dual spinning pads work completely automatically to scrub your sealed hard floors, capably tackling dried spills and ground-in dirt without you ever needing to bend over uncomfortably or apply manual pressure. The clever on-demand spray control puts you in complete command, letting you dispense cleaning solution exactly where it's needed most, which intelligently prevents overwetting your floors and conserves valuable cleaning product over time. This particular model arrives ready to use with 6 reusable, machine-washable pads and 3 convenient travel-size cleaning formulas, giving you everything required to start cleaning effectively right out of the box without additional purchases. For homeowners seeking a reliable, corded mop that genuinely takes the elbow grease out of routine floor cleaning, the Bissell SpinWave offers outstanding long-term value and consistently impressive performance that will keep your floors looking their absolute best with minimal effort on your part. Number 3. Bissell SpinWave 2039. Another excellent offering from the trusted Bissell brand, the SpinWave 2039 skillfully builds upon the same great spinning technology foundation with several thoughtful upgrades that enhance the user experience. The 2 vigorously motorized pads provide the same wonderfully effortless scrubbing action that makes quick work of sticky kitchen messes and tough pet-related stains on all your sealed hard surfaces. The upgraded targeted spray feature ensures that your preferred cleaning solution is applied precisely where it's needed most during each cleaning session. This upgraded model includes 4 generously sized reusable mop pads and 2 practical trial-size cleaning solutions in the box. If you're specifically looking for a dependable, easy-to-use electric mop that reliably delivers a deep, thorough clean without the associated physical strain of traditional mopping, the Bissell SpinWave 2039 proves itself to be a reliable workhorse that consistently won't disappoint through years of regular use and dependable service. Number 4. VMAI Cordless Electric Mop. For those who value ultimate convenience and portability, the VMAI Cordless Electric Mop is a game-changer. Weighing less than 3 pounds, this completely wireless mop is incredibly easy to carry between floors and rooms without any cord management hassles. The flexible head rotates 180 degrees side to side and 90 degrees vertically, allowing you to clean under low furniture and into tight corners with remarkable precision. Features like hands-free pad removal keep your hands clean, while the built-in LED light reveals hidden dirt in dark spaces. The 300 milliliter water tank lets you spray water or cleaning solution directly onto the floor with a simple button press. If you live in a multi-level home or simply prefer the freedom of cordless cleaning, the VMAI offers outstanding maneuverability and convenience in a lightweight package. Number 5. Shark S1000 Steam Mop. Rounding out our list is the Shark S1000, a straightforward and effective steam mop that delivers chemical-free cleaning in a simple-to-use package. It heats up in just 30 seconds, ready for quick cleanups whenever you need it. The removable water tank is easy to fill and provides enough capacity for extended cleaning sessions. Weighing under 5 pounds, it's lightweight and features swivel steering for effortless navigation around obstacles. The 18-foot power cord gives you plenty of reach between outlets, and the machine-washable microfiber pads offer excellent absorption and scrubbing power. For those who prefer the simplicity and sanitizing power of steam without extra features, the Shark S1000 provides reliable, residue-free cleaning that's safe for both your family and your sealed hard floors. And that wraps up our picks for the top 5 best electric mops. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next product roundup. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one!